The bathroom vanities. This is a really, really big one. I know that, like, we've already talked about the bathrooms a couple of times. This is a really big issue for the fact that everything that's sitting on top of your bathroom vanity has toothpaste on it. It has soap. It has whatever it was, lotions, dyes, whatever it was you were touching while you got dressed. It might have makeup on it. There's just a bunch of stuff that we transfer from our hands to the stuff that's sitting on our bathroom counter. And again, when people walk in, we want them to go, oh, yeah, I see myself in here. We don't want them to go in and go, well, look, there's toothpaste everywhere and there's gunk and I see makeup, stuck on stuff. Don't do that. Okay. So it's going to be your mirror. It's going to be all of the stuff that's on the vanity, and it's going to be all the stuff under the vanity. I can't tell you how many homes that have been shown where people walk in and just at a glance, as you're walking in, you see it from a distance and you're seeing just a layer of dust, but all the stuff on top is the stuff that we use every day. You got to move that stuff. You got to wipe underneath it, wipe the bottles down and put them back. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but you can do it very inexpensively. And if you're using a cloth like the one that I mentioned, just get it wet, hot water. It doesn't need any chemicals on it whatsoever. Just hot water, wipe everything down, wipe down every toothpaste holder, toothbrush, wipe down the stuff that holds your razors. If it's a little container, if it's a container of soap, if it's mouthwash, if it's shaving gel, it doesn't matter what it is, hairspray, if it's hydrogen peroxide, I don't care what's on your counter, but wipe it down with a damp cloth, move it and wipe underneath it so that it's whatever's there is like neatly stacked, like arrange it so it's neatly stacked, but wipe underneath it. So when people walk in, they're not like, ah, that's so gross. Aaron, you're laughing. Why are you laughing at me?
Just because I run into this daily, even something as hair around the faucets, it grosses people out and it will turn a buyer off so quickly. If you have in your mind that Airbnb kind of thought when it comes to your bathroom and that your home is a product while it's being sold, it's just an easier approach. You're going to put those things on the counter that look really nice that you're not going to use on a day to day basis and keep that stuff under the sink in a box. You'll pull it out, use it, put it back in the box, put it back under the sink. It looks like an Airbnb. People walk in, they see themselves at home right away. Soon as they see hair in the sink or around the faucets, they're like, "Oh, gross! This is so gross," and they want to leave. And it's so simple.
So I don't know why the hair gets people. I've been cleaning houses for a long time. I've seen a lot of hair, and I have a lot of hair of my own. Like when I comb my hair, a lot of hair comes out or whatever. But if I even see my husband and he's like shaved and there's hair in the sink, he's my husband, right? I mean, I love him no matter what. But I see in the sink and I'm like, oh, that's so gross. And I don't mean to be like that, but I mean, I'm the cleaner, right? I'm the one who gets to clean that kind of stuff. And I see that. And even though he's my husband, I still see it. And I'm like, ah. It's awful, especially if there's like toothpaste stuck in it and stuff like that. That's from the sink that, it's just gross. Okay. Enough of the grossness.